What I learnt is that disappointment won't define the future. It's my persistence and perseverance that's enabled me to get to where I am today. My name's John Spear. I'm the Director of the Australian Industrial Transformation Institute at Flinders University. Australia's great at inventing things, but it's not so good in translating that into commercial outcomes. So at Flinders, what we've been doing is trying to establish facilities where companies can interact and engage with researchers. One of the key initiatives is establishing Australia's first industrial-scale factory of the future at Tonsley. We've had to flip the way that we collaborate with industry and government, them working with us in our environment to test and trial new techniques, new approaches to solving problems. I learned patience over the course of my career. I faced lots of disappointments, and for me, getting to where I am today has been a great personal achievement. It's involved sort of confronting a lot of fears over the course of my life and enabled me to manage my fear rather than be paralysed by it. Look, I've been working on the achievement of this vision for 5 to 6 years, and it's always been uncertain. But if I persist, eventually this will happen. This will come about. It's unstoppable.